NOCO GENIUSPRO50 review. Honest results for dead batteries and real workshop power. What do you do when a battery reads 0 volts and every charger you own just blinks and quits? I had that exact moment in a cold garage at 7 in the morning, staring at a truck that needed to move in 40 minutes. Dead silence from 3 different chargers. That quiet panic is real. The NOCO GENIUSPRO50 is built for exactly that situation, and what it does next is genuinely worth understanding before you reach for anything else. Here is the part most people quietly struggle with for years. You have a workshop, a fleet, a boat, or a collection of vehicles, and no single charger handles all of it cleanly. You end up with 3 different units, mismatched clamps, slow overnight charges that still leave batteries sluggish, and no real way to know whether a battery is recovering or just pretending to hold a charge. The frustration compounds when weather shifts. A charger that worked fine in summer starts underperforming in winter cold, and a hot garage in July creates overcharging risk that shortens battery life silently. Then there is the desulfation problem. Batteries that sit for months develop sulfate buildup that ordinary chargers cannot touch. You write them off and buy new ones, not realizing a precision recovery mode could have saved them. That quiet financial drain adds up faster than most people calculate. There has to be a smarter, heavier-hitting solution for serious battery work. Then everything changed when I found the NOCO GENIUSPRO50. Don't just pick any professional battery charger. Make sure it has force mode combined with automatic sulfation detection so you never experience the gut punch of writing off a recoverable battery ever again. The GENIUSPRO50 delivers 50 amps at 6 volts and 12 volts, and 25 amps at 24 volts, which means large commercial, marine, and deep cycle batteries charge in a fraction of the time cheaper units require. Force mode reaches batteries at 0 volts and begins recovery where other chargers simply refuse to start. The integrated thermal compensation sensor reads ambient temperature and adjusts charge rate automatically, protecting batteries in both summer heat and winter cold without you touching a setting. Supply mode provides clean, stable power for ECU diagnostics and reprogramming, which is one of those overlooked advantages that professional technicians genuinely appreciate once they discover it. A mechanic I know nearly scrapped 3 truck batteries from a winter fleet before force mode recovered all 3 in a single afternoon session. Let me be honest. The silicone cables rated to -40 degrees are not marketing language. They stay flexible in conditions that make standard cables brittle and dangerous. That durability matters in real workshop environments. The trust built around this charger comes from consistent, verifiable performance rather than brand reputation alone. Battery Essence tested the GENIUSPRO50 against a large, deeply discharged marine battery that other chargers had already rejected, and the recovery was clean and complete. A verified Amazon user who managed a cold climate fleet described it plainly as worth every penny for anyone dealing with large or deeply discharged batteries regularly. An automotive technology reviewer specifically noted that the power supply mode delivers perfectly stable voltage with no ripple or transient spikes during ECU flashing, which protects sensitive electronics that cheaper chargers can damage. One honest note worth mentioning is that this unit is heavy and built for stationary workshop use. It is not a portable roadside tool. But if your environment demands serious battery recovery, long-term maintenance, and multi-chemistry compatibility, the GENIUSPRO50 handles all of it from one position without compromise. The NOCO GENIUSPRO50 turns battery management from a recurring problem into a solved system. One professional-grade charger covering 6 volts, 12 volts, and 24 volts, recovering batteries from 0 volts, adjusting for temperature automatically, and supplying clean power for diagnostics. Thousands of mechanics, marine technicians, and serious enthusiasts already rely on it daily for exactly that reason. Results may vary depending on battery condition and chemistry. I have dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it at the top of the comments. Click through, take a real look, and see whether this belongs in your garage.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.